A same-day knee replacement is a knee replacement that is done in the typical time, which is generally about an hour and a half. And then the patient gets up within hours after the operation and is walking and is able to do some stairs and clears to be safely able to go home on the same day of the surgery. What helps us do this is the procedures themselves have become less invasive. So because they're less invasive, we can progress the patients faster. Great advances have been made in pain control as well as the procedure. And the improvements in the ability to control post-operative pain lets the patients feel comfortable enough to, right after the operation, literally within hours after the operation, to begin bending their knee and to walk on the knee.